In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello boards with Rewind. Let's start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the hub where all your boards live, so it's the easiest place to pick the board you want to protect. Click into the board you want to back up. I'll walk through the process on a single board, but remember, backups are added per board, so you'll repeat these same steps for any others you want covered. Once your board is open, look for the Power-Ups option. On desktop, you'll typically find it near the top of the board or inside the board menu on the right. Go ahead and click Power-Ups to open the panel where you manage add-ons. Now click Add Power-Ups. This takes you into Trello's directory of tools that extend your board's capabilities. In the search field, type Backups for Trello. This is the Rewind power-up that automatically backs up your Trello content, including cards, lists, comments, custom fields, and attachments. It's designed to make snapshotting and restoring your data straightforward, which is why it's a great fit if you value peace of mind. When you see backups for Trello in the results, click Add. Trello may prompt you to review permissions or confirm the installation for your board. If you see a confirmation window, simply click Add Again to enable it. That second click finalizes the install and turns the power-up on for this board. After it's enabled, you'll see backups for Trello listed in your power-ups panel. That's your confirmation that Rewind is installed and ready. From here, you can open it from the same power-ups area whenever you want to review backup status or access restore options. The power-up handles the heavy lifting in the background, so once it's active, your board's information is much safer against accidental deletions or unexpected changes. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you manage multiple boards, repeat these same steps for each one you want backed up. Power-ups are added at the board level, not across your entire workspace. If you don't see the Power-ups button, you may need board admin permissions, so check with your workspace admin. Also note that some Trello plans limit the number of power-ups per board. If your board is already at its limit, remove an unused one before adding backups for Trello. And that's it. You navigated to your board, opened power-ups, added backups for Trello by Rewind, and confirmed the installation. Your board is now protected, and you're set up for safer, more resilient work in Trello.